Hey guys, what is going on? Chris here once again, and of course I'm on a run back from New York City. That was awesome time there, but they have no hills. It was pretty cool to be in Central Park and realize that there are trees and other wildlife in the middle of the city. But anyway, so I came back. So today's story is this. I went to watch my amazing son, my 14-year-old Caden, play volleyball. He's picked it up very quick. That was like my sport, my main sport when I was a kid was volleyball. And what's going on? So he picked it up quick. He's very athletic. Both my sons are. But all right, he's gone. Good. We can talk quietly now, privately. Anyways, so he's very good on a like travel team. We're actually going to Phoenix for a national tournament next week. Anyway, so during the tournament, there's a kid on the other team that every time he made a mistake, he would get upset. He'd be like, oh, I think he even cursed once, which isn't good. But he was like freaking out, like red face, like it was like noticeable. And guess what? He kept messing up the whole game. It's almost like somebody forgot to tell him he wasn't a good volleyball player. But the thing is, when the kids on my son's team who won the tournament, when they would make a mistake, they would kind of laugh it off. They'd acknowledge it, and everyone would be like, "Oh, okay, there's bad touch or whatever." But the important lesson here is this, and it's very important, is when you are training for anything or you're doing any task that you want to get better at, any skill, whether it's in competition or whether it's in practice, one of the most important things you can do to remember whatever you want to remember, that perfect hit, the perfect set, the perfect shot, whatever it is, when you mess up, do not anchor it with strong emotion, because emotion is one of the best anchors you can have for any skill. What you want to do is attach positive emotion to doing well, and that way your body will remember it because of that strong emotion. So when you mess up, we all mess up, acknowledge it, kind of laugh it off, and that way it won't be ingrained and you won't keep doing it like this poor kid was doing throughout the game. But that's it for today. I am if you're watching this and you remember this spot, I am halfway through a 2-hour run. No water again today. That's my new thing. I'm sticking with it because I feel great. I do bring a little towel along to dry me off because I sweat a lot. So anyways, that is it. Back to the run, and you guys keep paving your path to perfection.